we will increase our budget at the Ministry of Interior to deal with this problem. The same way, we have increased our budget in the fight against terror and the fight against bandits. I see no reason why, for example, Nacada should continue being underfunded. I want to thank you for your intervention. Going forward, we will fund Nacada a little more. But once we do that, we will also demand accountability from Nacada. We do not want to come here and get statistics from Nacada. We want to get results. We want to be told what the taxpayers' money that we are going to enhance for you will bring in terms of making this country free from this dangerous phenomenon. Your Excellency, there is no need of the country spending lots of money on education and health and agriculture if there are no people to benefit from those programs. And therefore, from us in the Interior Ministry, the corner where we have put bandits and terrorists is the corner where we have put those who manufacture, distribute, and sell dangerous substances and narcotic drugs to our children and to our people. Our wako WhatsApp group moja. The same.